Hey guys, my room is in shambles again, as it always is. Okay, so just wanted to give you like a quick little overview of the room, but basically I have almost finished my Halloween looks now. I have one last look left to do, and it doesn't require any like special effects or anything like that. So I've been holding off on doing like a proper clean of the room because I knew that it would just get messy again with doing all of my Halloween stuff and you know, all the special effects products and all that type of stuff. But I don't need any of that stuff anymore, like for the time being. So I think we're gonna do an actual like super deep clean of the room, and yeah, that's what we're gonna start doing. So let's get into it. We have a lot to do. I need to clean everything up, but I also need to like organize all of the new products. I need to go through the new stuff in the advent calendars. I need to sort out like categories of stuff, put away giveaway stuff, all that type of thing. So let's just get into it. Okay, I'm going to start by going through this box. I unboxed 2 advent calendars yesterday. Oh guys, I've put fake blood on everything. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh well, at least it's only the outer packaging. Oops, I'm sure I can clean it off. Anyway, I unboxed 2 advent calendars last night. So these are the products that came in that advent calendar, in those advent calendars. So we'll quickly go through and I'll decide what I'm keeping and what I'm going to put into a giveaway. Alright, so first this is the Medicate Press and Glow Daily Exfoliating PHA Tonic. I think I'd like to keep it, to be honest. So I think I'll keep that. I'm going to keep this. This is the Laneige Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask. I feel like that sounds really nice. I can't believe that I sprayed fake blood all over it. It kind of looks like it's meant to be there. Like, it kind of looks cute. Anyway, so I'll keep that. This is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, which I think I will pass along. It's one of my favourites, but I decluttered mine. And yeah, I don't know. Like, I do love this palette, but I also know that, you know, I decluttered mine for a reason, so I probably don't need a new one. I can pass it along to someone who's going to get more use out of it. But I need to get this fake plot of it. I mean, it doesn't matter, like the actual palette obviously doesn't have it on it, but anyway, I'll pass that one along. This is the new Sol de Janeiro no, it's not Sol de Janeiro, Delcia Drench Body Butter, Trosa 59, which I'll keep. This little sleeping mask I will pass along. This is the Iconic Prep Set and Glow, which I will keep. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which I'll also keep. I don't know if I've already got one of these this time around, so if I do, then I'll put one of them in a giveaway, but anyway, we'll just wait and see. This is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, which I will keep that one as well. I'm also going to keep these 3. These are their little lip glowy balms. I've got Vanilla, Sweet Candy, and Gummy Bear. These all came in the Laneige calendar. I actually really enjoyed that one. It was super great. This is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant, which I already got one of these in the event calendars this time around, so I'll pass that one along. I'll pass on these 2 Wella things. These are both part of the Ultimate Repair line. We have a shampoo and a conditioner. This is the Espa Tri-Active Regenerating Treatment Oil, which I don't think I need it, to be honest, so I'll pass that one along as well. Pop her in a giveaway. The Aveeno Daily Moisturising Body Lotion, I'll also pass this one along. This is the Colour Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, which I've already got one of these, but I feel like I want to hold on to it for now because like it's obviously like not that big of a bottle. So if it is something that I like, I'd like to like have it along. And then if I don't like the first one, then I'll just pass that one along. But these are the little Laneige Lip Sleeping Masks. I have 3 here. I've got Berry, Gummy Bear, and Peach Iced Tea, and these all smell so good. And yeah, I'll be keeping those. This is the Rituals Candle, Ritual Sakura. It is really nice, but I don't know if I like it like I like it, but I don't know if I'd burn it in the house. Like, it's nice, but I don't know if I like it enough to burn it. I've got so many candles, so. This is the Laneige Water Bank Hyaluronic Cream Moisturiser, which I will keep. This is a little Water Bank Hyaluronic Eye Cream. Don't know if I need an eye cream. I guess I never keep eye cream, so I might keep one, honestly. And then this is the Laneige Cream Skin Serapeptide Toner and Moisturiser, which I'll also keep. These two little gel masks from Peter Thomas Roth, I'd like to keep those. We have the Rose Stem Anti-Aging Gel Mask and then the Cucumber Gel Mask. So I'll keep those. This is the Nuco Super Thick Sculpt Serum for Hair Density, which I'll pass along. This is the Glow Hub Gen Gleam Collagen Up Lip Glow, which I think I will keep this. It's in the shade 30. This is the Avant, I don't know how to say it, Pro Collagen, whatever that says. It's the Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. So I'll pass her along. Apparently this tube is worth $160, which is just absolutely crazy, to be honest. This is the Laneige Water Bank Serum, which I'll keep. This is the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Eye Serum, which I will pass along. First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser, which I'll keep. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, I'll pass along. Ultra Sun SPF 30, I'll pass along. This Works Perfect Body Smoothing Wash. Does this smell nice? It's like got a seal thing on it, so I can't smell it, so I'll pass her along. This Ciate Illuminating Blusher in Sweet Kisses. I don't think it's going to be my shade, so I'll pass her along. This is the Shiseido Uplifting Firming Express Eye Mask. I've already kept so many eye masks, so I'll get rid of that one. And I think I'll also pass along this MAC lipstick. And these are the little velvet powder puffs, which I think I will keep. So, this is everything that I'm going to put into a giveaway, along with all of my other giveaway stuff. So, let's get that box out of the way. Let me quickly pick up some of this wrapping paper, because it's like everywhere. I don't know if you can see it, but... So, this is my little giveaway box for the moment. I'll pop everything in there. And then when I can actually reach over there to get to my like giveaway drawer, we'll put it all in there. But for now, I just need to pop it in here. Yeah, I've got all this wrapping paper from the book advent calendar. Like 24 days of books, and they were all wrapped up in wrapping paper. This massive box over here, which I don't think you can see, this one here, this is everything that I've kept from the advent calendar, so I'm just going to quickly pop everything in there. We will sort this out shortly. I want to go through and divide up makeup and then candles and like stuff that needs to go in the bathroom. But for now I'm just going to pop it all in here. And yeah, we'll go through all of that soon. I'm going to pop like all of the not wrapping paper, bubble wrap and stuff like that to the side, because I like to reuse that for giveaways. So I'll just pop these to the side for now. That's rubbish, that's rubbish. This is the new Colourpop. That's not dirty, don't worry, that's a Halloween prop. This is the new Colourpop and Bratz collab, which I'll just put in this box for now, even though it didn't come out of the advent calendar, because just to get it out the way for the moment. Every single time I get sent something like this, I always keep it. I've got a drawer full of them, and I've got like a little scrapbook that I do every now and then, so I'll put that in my drawer when I can reach it. But this is all rubbish in there. I've already double checked, so that's good. That just needs to go to the recycling along with those. Ugh. This also needs to go in the rubbish. I was going to keep it, but I just don't know like what I could put in there kind of thing. So I'm going to just recycle it, I think. On to our next job. These. So in this box down here, I've got all of the books that I got out of the advent calendar. So I'm going to decide what ones I want to read, which I think is honestly majority of them, to be honest. I think there's only like one or two that I wasn't really that interested in. And then I need to put all of these away. So the first one is this. And this was one that I said reminded me a bit of Knives Out, so I do want to read that one. I feel like these Ian Rankin books sounded really good. Yeah, so I'd like to keep the Ian Rankin. That one sounded so good. This one gave me like kind of like sore. No, this wasn't the sore one. But yeah, this one gave like, I don't know. I thought that one sounded really cool. This one also sounds really good. Yeah. Want that one. Stalker sounded really good as well. Yeah, I like that one too. I want to read that. I feel like this one's going to be like a big book to like, you know, like a mission, but I am excited to read that as well. I think that sounded okay. So I'll give that a go. That's another Ian Rankin one, which I did want to read. Yeah, that one sounded really good. I think it was the Glenn Eric Hamilton ones that I wasn't too sure of. Like, they sounded a bit, I don't know though, like I feel kind of like I don't want to pass them along without giving them a go, do you know what I mean? Maybe, I don't know, I feel like I really don't want to kind of pass them along without giving them a go. So maybe I will, like, try them out. So maybe I'll just keep all of them. Oh my god, I know, I'm like, yeah. I think honestly for the books I'm gonna give them all at least a go, you know, because there's some in here that sound really great. And yeah, there's none that like sound like I wouldn't want to read them. So I think I'll try them all out at least. And then, you know, if I get a couple of pages in, or I mean a couple of chapters in or whatever, and decide I don't want to continue with them, then obviously that's fine. But so I need to go and sort all of these books into... I'm keeping all of my books in the bedroom at the moment, but there's actually no room left there, so I need to find somewhere new to do that, lol. But yeah, I do need to move these. Alright, so I'm going to go move this box. I'm also going to take the recycling out, and then we should actually be able to move in this room a bit better. So I'm going to go and do that now. Guys, I have sprayed fake blood all around this room. I'm actually... I can't believe I've done that. There's fake blood all over my desk. There's fake blood on the walls. I'm actually like kind of annoyed at myself that I've done that. I didn't realise how far that little thing travelled. This. Now it's all over my walls. Anyway, alright, I'm going to take these boxes out. And then, yeah. Okay, I've taken that box out now. So we've actually got a little bit more room to move in here, which is nice. So down here is my giveaway drawer currently. So that's my giveaway drawer at the moment. So you can see that, yeah, I've got quite a few products in here. So we'll be doing a giveaway soon. So I'm just going to quickly take everything out of that box and put it in the giveaway drawer. So that's out the way as well. Okay, that's our giveaway drawer. It's quite full, as you can see. So I am actually going to have to do a giveaway quite soon. But anyway, that's another box out of the way, so that's nice. I think what I'm honestly going to do is I'm going to leave that part here, and then I think we'll go on to part 2, because I feel like this is going to be a couple of parts. Next, I'm going to sort out everything that I'm keeping, and I'm going to sort it into categories of like makeup, and then like skincare, body care, hair care. And then I'm also going to, yeah, so I'm going to do that next time, and then yeah, we'll do some more stuff. But I'm going to leave part 1 for here for now. And yeah, I will see you guys in part 2.